Alright guys, welcome back to NST. In this video we are going to analyze Nifty for this week, in which direction we are majorly looking at the market. But before we start, let me tell you the trading room results has been updated on the website. You can check it out. So in this past week on a trailing account we are having a 40% returns, but if you click on that you would find all the details, all the trade setup which has been explained and given in our trading room. For single target traders, we were able to make 25% returns on the capital, and for the trailing purpose it's a 40%. So this week the trailing account wins back again the market. In this week you can see that last 2 days were slightly negative, 0.7% and 0.3% around here we had the loss, and the first starting Monday was 18%, 5% for Tuesday, and Wednesday is almost 5%. So this was the result for the last week trading room. If you guys are trading intraday and you are struggling in the market to read the market live, our trading room is the only trading room which provides full day support during the market hours to all the traders who are enrolled. And let me tell you, that is the only missing piece in many traders, because they know the stuff in the market, they understand the concept, but the only thing they required is a slight support. So if you are missing on that and you want to understand the concept of the market, you are looking for the support, our trading room is open for everybody. Head over to the website for enrollment. So let's go with the Nifty. So this is our dearest Nifty for this week. And trading this week, we will be focusing on two impulses whenever we see these kind of structures in the market. We will be focusing on this impulse and we will be focusing on this impulse. So based on that, whatever relation the market is making alongside with those impulses, our job is to read it and execute the next big move. And wave theory will be our core foundation in analyzing the market at the moment. So how do we do it? Whenever we look at this structure, you see this reaction. We are reading this reaction alongside with this impulse, and based on that, we are declaring that as soon as you're maintaining that, or as long as you're maintaining this trend for the upside, that's fine. But anytime you're breaking, this is the last chance for the market. And especially this momentum starting from here has a potential, this leg, to make one down wave in a relation with this impulse. And that is possible. Why? Because we read the structure in such way and the movement is confirmed. The only thing it needs to do is break that trend and sustain below it. That is more confirmed for a new traders. The traders who are already shorted here or here or here, they should put the trade on break even, or they should move the stop or trail the stops. So for executing a new trade, let's read the structure and apply the fib. We have to apply the fib, and you can see the market is around 618 level. Let me put it slightly above, and now you can see that. Now once market break this structure, there are highly chances we are looking at something like this. You are at the trend. So once market break this structure, there is very much possibility for this market to make this wave for the downside. So if that is coming, you should know how to trade it and how to jump onto the board. But if you don't know, the best way to do that is our trading room. We are analyzing this market tick by tick, second by second, and we are showing the traders the best trading opportunity at any given moment and any given point. We are so sure about this move in our trading room group. So if you see that, that's the update I have given on the 9th of July, and we are confirming that. So we're expecting the market to come around the trend line, and once that trend line is broken, we're expecting the market to make and some certain waves, and then we'll see how to trade that. And during this wave, we will be keep reading the market, how the market is behaving. So that's the update already has been given in our trading room. Also, this is our trading room page. You can see this was the 10th of July. This was the trade of the day in our trading room. The single trade you see, we gave it in Axis Bank. Its single trade gave 8% returns on the account. So that kind of trades we execute in the trading room, and that kind of analysis we do every single day. So for this week, majorly, I would be reading this structure. How is it making sense? For buying perspective, where would I like to buy and when I will change my mind? That information relies on 30 minutes. How do I change my mind and how I will see this market that it's not gonna make the down wave? And the last and the foremost, way to do that. I will read this structure going down. The only thing the market can go up and make a new high is this way. You either don't break this, which means you sustain here for a longer period of the time. That will be clue number one. Second clue will be you break this and immediately go back in this structure. So this structure will be the last piece of the cake. It's similar to like that. You break this structure and immediately go back in this structure. So you can see the example right over there. So if you find this market doing something like that, which means it's actually respecting this trend line, and based on this information, we will be executing a new trade in the other way around, in the other way direction. If that happens during the market hours, we'll be analyzing it in our trading room. But as of now, the market holds the information which we have right now. We're expecting the market to make a big wave for the downside. That's our main direction, and that's our major bias in the direction when we have information like that. So we're looking a down wave from here points onwards, and there is one more trend I would like to give you. While trading this, you focus on this trend going down. As long as you're maintaining that trend for the downside, as long as you're left side of that trend, the market is actually weak, which means every high possibility is a selling opportunity for the next big downside. So we will be focusing on these developing structure, also on this trend line for this week, majorly in the market. So this is us guys on Nifty. If you like this analysis, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn all these stuffs which we know in the market, then head over to the website. All details are available over there, and I'll see you in another update. Until then, trade with care. Bye bye.